All right, buddy, you're gonna have to be evicted. I'm sorry. You can't continue to live here. I swear that sucker just jumped, and what is that? Oh, that doesn't look good.
Hey y'all, I'm Angie. Welcome to my channel where I do stuff. In today's video, we're going to clean the interior of an RX-7.
So, this obviously needs a lot of work. You can see all the mildew on the steering wheel. This is just gross. Everything is spiderwebby and kind of disgusting. Panels have fallen off, but we're gonna get it cleaned, and we're gonna see how much I can get done today. So I don't know, hopefully I won't get bit by the brown recluse that I saw in that door jamb over there that disappeared after I opened the door. So anyway, let's get with it.
Of course, I had to get rid of all the spider webs first. So the story behind the car is that I got one and that was intended to be just the sole car. But then I ended up getting another one that was exactly the same and I could put them two together and make a better car. And then I got a whole bunch of parts off a couple other cars and put them on, and then slowly started accumulating random parts from people and stockpiling stuff. And, I had a car that ran and drove, and it was like 15 different colors held together with zip ties. And I didn't really care because it was fast and it was fun, but it needed paint. So I ended up getting the car to the body shop, and then I went 2 hours away to college. And eventually the car got painted, and I was working my butt off in school. And when I say I was working my butt off, I mean I was studying all the time. You can ask any of my friends. I was not really around. And so then the car got finished, and I was so concerned with trying to do my last year of college that I wasn't focused on getting the car and bringing it back. And no one could really do the vehicle shuffle with me anyway, so it wasn't a priority. Well, then Hurricane Harvey was going to hit Houston. And so rather than having, the possibility of a tree limb falling on my car while it sat outside the body shop, the executive decision was made to move it into the garage of a vacant house. And there it sat for a few more weeks than 5 years to the day. And as with everything, it seems, in my life, with the help of some very important people, I was able to get the car back to my house up here 2 hours away. And I have now started on getting everything clean. There were a lot of feral cats at this vacant house, and I was very lucky that all the windows were up, so nothing inside smells any different than it did the day it was dropped off. The paint is definitely going to need to be waxed and buffed and all of that, because there is some stuff that is kind of caked on and baked on from nasty cat activities, but no complaints. The car came out virtually unscathed, and there's a lot of work that needs to go into it to make it drivable. There are some wires that got cut that need to be fixed, and some mechanical stuff just from it sitting for 5 years. And yeah, I mean, it's going to get done though. I'm so excited. And this is the final result after the first round of cleaning. It's going to take a lot to get this fully clean, and that's fine. But I think this is a good start, and now I can sit in it without sneezing. And yeah, just really happy to have Candy back. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll join me in a few days when I do more stuff. Bye.